Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make pineapple fried rice. This fried rice recipe is super delicious. This recipe will bring your fried rice game from 0 to 100. Let's get straight into the video. Here I have some of the vegetables I'll be using for this recipe. I have cleaned and washed them thoroughly, so I'll go ahead and cut them into desired sizes that I'll be using for this fried rice recipe. I'll be cutting the carrots first into very smaller cubes, smaller sizes. Done with the carrot, so I'll go ahead and cut the next vegetable, which is spring onion. If you're just stopping by for the first time, please do well to give me a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The next is the green bell pepper. This fried rice is the most delicious fried rice I've ever made. You need to try it. Pineapple is a game changer in your fried rice. Additional of pineapple to your fried rice makes it more sweeter and more nutritious. For this recipe, we have to prep all the ingredients, cut all the veggies, prep everything, set them aside, make sure everything is ready before we start cooking. And for the pineapple, you make sure you trim very well. We'll trim it very well, remove every chaff, and cut into smaller sizes before use. Watch the way I'm trimming. Remove all this, everything. Trim it out. Trim them out before you cut into desired sizes. This is an authentic fried rice recipe that is super delicious, very tasty, and will last for days without going bad. I'll be serving this fried rice with fried chicken, but you can serve yours with any protein of your choice. Meat, fish, chicken, any protein of your choice is okay. After cutting and chopping the vegetables, I'll set my pot on the fire, add some vegetable oil into the pot, and I will add chopped onion, curry powder. I'll give it a mild stir to build aroma. After that, I'll be adding some seasoning powder. After the seasoning powder, I'll then go in with the washed rice. To prepare the rice for this recipe, before cooking, I washed the rice until the water becomes clear, then soaked my rice inside hot water for 10 minutes. Drained before transferring it into the pot. After that, I will give it a good stir to mix. Stir very well to mix so that everything will combine well. I'll be frying this rice inside the vegetable oil for 10 minutes. Frying your rice in vegetable oil gives you a tastier and better quality fried rice. Now I'll be adding some salt to taste, mixed spices, a little, then some turmeric powder. I'll give it a thorough mix once more. Stir and mix to combine well. It's important that you mix your rice well while frying so that you have a uniform color. Stand by and stir at intervals until the rice cooks in the vegetable oil for up to 10 minutes. While the rice stir fries, I'll be getting the chicken stock which I'll be using to cook the rice ready. After 10 minutes, you can see the texture and the looks of the rice has changed. It has fried so well. So I will go ahead and add the chicken stock into the rice. Fried rice does not need much water to cook, so the chicken stock and a little more water is okay to cook this rice. I'll be adding seasoning cube into the rice now. I will stir to combine well, then add a little more water into it. Then cover to cook. This is a classic fried rice recipe that gives you a perfect taste, quality, and does not go bad easily. We cover the rice to cook for 20 minutes until it's a little soft. Not too soft, not too hard. The texture of your rice should not be too soft and sticky, and equally not raw rice. Just halfway is okay. It's time to check the rice. At this point, the rice is ready. This is the right texture that we need for this recipe. So I'll just go ahead and give it a good mix, then put off the heat, set it aside, and prepare the vegetables. While I get the rice off the heat, set it aside, I will then leave the pot open to stop the rice from further cooking. We don't want it getting too soft. Time to stir fry the vegetables. I have a pan on the fire. I will go in with a little amount of vegetable oil, then ginger garlic paste, some chopped onion. Give it a good stir. I'll be adding some fresh sweet corn. Then give it a stir. And add some chopped carrots. I'll stir to combine. And add some seasoning powder, some salt to taste, seasoning cube, curry powder, and give it a good mix. As I mix, I will let it stir fry for a minute before I will now go in with the pineapple. Pineapple elevates the taste of your fried rice, making it delicious and absolutely yummy. After adding that, give it a mild stir and allow the pineapple to cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I will stir to combine. Then I'll be adding some canned peas. Give it another stir to mix, then allow to cook for 1 minute. After a minute, we'll be getting ready to add our bell peppers. Leave a comment in the comment section to let me know if you'll be trying this recipe. Do you have a video request? Drop that in the comment section also, and I'll be glad to make that video for you. It's time to add the bell peppers. The red and the green bell pepper. Then we'll give it a good mix. Allow the peppers to cook while you stir fry for a minute. Letting your veggies cook well preserves your fried rice. And cook your veggies on a medium to low heat. In a few seconds, I'll be bringing the veggies down from the heat, transfer into the boiled rice, and mix them together. I'm using this medium to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers and to everyone who finds time to watch my video. Thank you so much. I love you guys. This is the time to mix the rice and the veggies together. Now I will go ahead and carefully mix the veggies and the rice to combine well. Carefully on a very low heat. Very, very low heat. You can see it's becoming very colorful and the aroma is amazing. I'll be turning off the heat now. While I turn off the heat, I'll be adding some butter into the rice. I'll bury the butter in the rice, cover it up, and let the butter melt into the rice for a few seconds. After a few seconds, I'll be opening the pot and give it a good mix, making sure the butter is well melted. So I'll go ahead and mix until the butter melts very well into the rice. Then I'll sprinkle some spring onions and give it a good mix again. And at this point, our pineapple fried rice is ready to be served. This is a step-by-step process you can follow to make your pineapple fried rice at home. If this is your first time stopping by, don't forget to give me a like, share my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell to know when I upload a new video. I'll be serving this delicious pineapple fried rice with some fried chicken. Give this recipe a trial and you won't regret it. Make it for your family and friends. They will love it. This recipe is very simple and very easy to make. Just make sure you fry your rice well and cook your veggies properly. It looks so colorful and attractive. You can see the pineapples there, and it sure tastes very delicious. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.